Welcome to HyperHost.Mx. In this video we will show you how to install Brizy and how to use Brizy on HyperHost.Mx. Once you have created your account with us, you can either log in by panel.hyperhost.mx or by cp.hyperhost.mx. You log in with your username and password. Once you sign in, you're going to be presented with all the services that you manage. Remember that you can have one panel for each one of your websites. So I'm going to go in and manage the new one that I created for Brizy.att. Once inside the panel, you're going to be presented with the option to install WordPress. You click on that. Select language, select a title, create a password, type your email. I'm going to discourage the search engines from indexing because I don't want them to actually index this demo website. Once you click there, it's set up. You just need to log in. The user and password we just created. We go to plugins, add new, search for Brizy, install now, activate, and you could start working with Brizy right now. We're gonna add the Pro version so you can see how we work with the Pro version. We click on add new, upload plugin, we select the plugin, we click install, and we activate the plugin. Right now you can work with Brizy. The only thing missing is to insert the license key that is given to you once you pay for the Pro version. So all you have to do is go to Brizy, settings, license, and use the license key that you were given via email or on the website. I'm going to pause this so you don't see the license that I'm inserting. I copied, pasted, and activated. Now it's active. Now, let's see what we can do with Brizy. The first thing you can do is go to the starter templates and choose one of the Pro templates if you have the Pro version, or one of the free ones if you have the free version. I'm going to delete the content. This is a new installation, so I don't care for any of the content. We go to pages. We have all the pages imported. They're already here with Brizy. We can edit with Brizy the homepage. One of the nice things about Brizy is that you basically edit things as you see them on the screen. So you can change an image size by dragging you can see. You can drag it. The same applies here. You can make the columns be on the same size. You can change the images easily. You can change the background. You can change the fonts. You can change the text right here, everything from here. If you want to add something, you just click on add, and you can add any element that you want from here. You can actually embed your social media web pages from here. Or you can add sections, blocks, or layouts. Layouts is for blank pages. So this would import an entire blank page. Not blank, like a demo, like this one, but an entire page. Blocks allow you to import just the things you want. You can have them here by kit numbers. You can search for a category. So let's say I want to do a call to action. This one is nice. It has a video in it. There you have it. You click on the video and you can embed the video that you want from Vimeo, YouTube, or custom. And that's it. The video is ready. It's there. You can change the size again. You can change everything here. Now, if you did something you don't like, you can go back and it will remove things that you made changes to. And when you want to update, you update it, and that's it. Now, let's test this website. First of all, I want you to see it how it is normally. Okay, the website is ready. It has everything in it. Let's do a speed test for this right now. Sorry for the little noise. I have a little dog, a little puppy, and she's playful. One of the good things that you're going to see about hosting with HyperHost is that whatever result we get here, we're going to improve on. So we got a 45 on mobile and 91 on desktop. With HyperHost, we can improve upon this. How can we do that? We go to Web Optimizations on the panel. In this section, what we do is save you time and money. You don't have to purchase expensive plugins in order to optimize your HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Another very good feature is that you can also optimize your images right from here, converting them to WebP version and other optimizations. We're going to test the speed now after we've optimized it a little bit. And as you can see, we've improved the score both on mobile and on desktop. We want to thank you for watching, and we would love for you to use Brizy Pro at HyperHost. We invite you to purchase your Pro plugin from the link on the bottom and to use it on our hosting. Thank you very much.